Hello Fly Riders, Hector here with another quick tech tip. Today we're going to learn how to replace your chain. First step is making sure that you purchase the correct chain for your bike. For example, you need a 12-speed chain for that 12-speed derailleur and cassette, or a 10-speed chain for that 10-speed bike of yours. It's very important that you count the links of your old chain before you buy your new chain. For example, I know my cue behind me has 120 links, so you want to make sure that you know exactly how many links you need before you purchase that new chain. Next up is you want to remove the chain from your bike. You may need a chain breaker or some master link pliers to do so. Once the old chain is removed, you're going to have to match it up to every link of that new chain. What I like to do is take the old chain and then stretch it out on a countertop. Then I extend the new chain right next to it so I can match up each link. I bought a 126 link chain and I know I only need 120, so I want to make sure exactly where I need to cut that chain. I'm going to use a chain breaker here to cut the chain to length. Next, I'm going to go ahead and install that chain on the bike. I'm going to use my master link pliers to install the missing link to this chain. Depending on your chain manufacturer, you may need to use a chain breaker to push in a chain pin. Now that the chain is installed, go ahead and shift through every gear and make sure that everything is shifting nice and well. That's our tech tip for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Hector with Fly Rides, and until next time, enjoy the ride.